Launch the app WOOX Home. Select the applicable product type from the list of products. Ensure the indicator light is quick flashing. If the indicator light isn't flashing, press and hold the reset button on the back of doorbell for 5 seconds until the indicator light starts to flash.
Reset battery setting. Wait for the configuration.
Confirm the Wi-Fi network and password. The app will prompt you to scan a QR code that needs to be read by the camera in the smart outdoor camera to initiate pairing.
Receiving configuration information. Began to connect.
The QR code should now be generated to pair the product to your account. The app will now search for the device and register as to your account. Then you can enter the device name. The device name will also be used by Amazon Alexa and Google Home. To pair the Chime to your Wi-Fi doorbell, press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds. The Chime will make an audible sound to show it is in pairing mode. Within 3 seconds of the Chime being in pairing mode, press the doorbell button to establish a connection. The Chime should now active in line with a Wi-Fi doorbell.